1 in every 5 American women has used Planned Parenthood for their reproductive health care and information needs. Arizonans have the freedom to choose their medical provider, and like Nancy Marshall, they have also chosen to support the mission of Planned Parenthood through donations and volunteering. Why do you choose Planned Parenthood?
I choose Planned Parenthood for 2 reasons. First, it has very high standards of medical care. And second, Planned Parenthood is non-judgmental. They'll treat me like an individual with my own history and medical needs, not as the tool of someone's political agenda.
Nancy, how long have you supported Planned Parenthood?
I've supported Planned Parenthood since my late 20s, which was the late 1960s. I was sexually active and I thought I had experienced contraceptive failure and I thought I was pregnant. I went to Planned Parenthood and the doctor correctly diagnosed that I was pregnant. But because the laws in the country at that time prohibited abortion, Planned Parenthood could not provide services. This was, I think, 1969. Fortunately, a woman friend helped me obtain an abortion, but it was an illegal kitchen table abortion. She helped me get follow-up care at a local hospital, which treated me very badly and with great judgment, but they did provide a D&C, which was necessary and appropriate.
Why do you continue to provide your support?
I continue to support Planned Parenthood because I know from the inside that they provide the best medical care that you can get in family planning and sex education and sexual health services. After my first trip to Planned Parenthood, I had several annual exams and pap smears. I then was trained as a volunteer and worked in a Planned Parenthood clinic, and now I donate to Planned Parenthood. But I know that they provide excellent care.
Why do you think it's important for women and men to be able to continue to have the ability to choose Planned Parenthood as a medical provider?
I think it's important for women and men to have Planned Parenthood available because, first of all, they're extremely well known. It's easy to get a provider in the city, but in the rural areas, Planned Parenthood is probably the best known provider in the country. And so if somebody needs care, they'll be able to find out how to get care. Second, Planned Parenthood has extremely high standards of medical care. They are good on their sex education, their family planning and contraceptive services. They do screening for both women and men for possible cancers and sexually transmitted diseases. And if a woman chooses, they can provide abortion care. Third is, Planned Parenthood is non-judgmental. They provide good medical services, not a lecture.
Go to ppaz.org for ways to get involved and support the mission of the organization. Visit advocatesaz.org for advocacy information.
I'm Nancy Marshall, and I choose Planned Parenthood.